How to connect broker to Metatrader 5. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to connect broker to Metatrader 5. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Metatrader 5 app on your device. Make sure that you logged into your account. Now simply head towards the three-line icon at top left corner of the screen. Now, tap Manage Accounts at top of the screen. Now you will land on the Other pages where you have to tap on the plus icon at top right corner of the screen. Tap Find Broker at top of the screen and type in the broker that you want to find and connect to Metatrader 5. Suppose for me, let's type in Pepperstone and the list will appear on your screen. Tap on Pepperstone Group Limited, and here if you have an account, enter all your login credentials like your login number, password, server, and simply check mark if you wish to save password and tap login button. After that, it will simply take a few time and your broker will be connected to MetaTrader 5 account. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.